Hey everyone, it's Justine. I'm so excited to be here with you today. We're about to embark on a journey that will empower you to bring your app ideas to life, regardless of your technical background. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and innovator. Today, we're diving into the world of no-code app development. This is a revolutionary approach that's changing the game for aspiring app creators everywhere. Forget about complex coding languages and endless lines of script. We're talking about building powerful, functional apps using intuitive, visual interfaces. Ever had a great app idea but thought, I can't code? Maybe you've even started learning to code, only to get bogged down in the complexities and jargon. It's a common frustration, and it's held back countless brilliant ideas from ever seeing the light of day. Good news, you don't need to. That's right, you can set aside those coding manuals and say goodbye to the frustration. The power to create is now in your hands, regardless of your technical skills. No-code platforms like ADALO are making app development accessible to everyone. These platforms provide a user-friendly environment where you can visually design and build your app without writing a single line of code. They let you build real apps with simple visual tools. Think drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built components, and intuitive workflows. It's like building with digital Legos, where you can easily assemble the pieces to create the app of your dreams. No programming required. That's the beauty of it. You can focus on the creative aspects of app development, like design and functionality, without getting bogged down in the technical details. Imagine creating a beautiful, functional app for your business or hobby, all by yourself. Think about the possibilities. You could create an app to streamline your business operations, connect with your community, or share your passion with the world. You get to focus on design and user experience, crafting an app that's not only functional, but also visually appealing and easy to use. After all, a great user experience is key to the success of any app, not technical headaches. Say goodbye to debugging nightmares and endless hours spent troubleshooting code. With no code, you can focus on what matters most, bringing your vision to life. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, providing clear instructions and helpful tips along the way. We'll break down the process into manageable steps so you can feel confident and empowered every step of the way. From signing up to building your first screens. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from creating your account to designing the basic layout of your app. Whether you want a directory, to showcase local businesses, or create a curated list of resources, a social network, to connect people with shared interests or build a thriving online community or an ordering app, to streamline your restaurant's takeout process or create a seamless e-commerce experience, the tools are at your fingertips. No matter what kind of app you envision, no-code platforms provide the building blocks you need to bring it to life. Let's unlock your creativity and turn your idea into a real app, a tangible product that you can share with the world. It's time to stop dreaming and start building. No coding needed. It's that simple. Ready? Let's get started. I'm so excited to see what you create. Let's dive in and start building your app today. So, why ADALO? It's user-friendly, powerful, and lets you build both mobile and desktop web apps from one place. You can publish your app to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, just like the pros. ADALO handles the technical stuff so you can focus on your idea. The drag-and-drop interface makes designing your app visual and fun. You see changes in real time. No guessing, no code. Use my special link to get started and support this channel. Let's jump in and start building. Let's set up your ADALO account. It's quick and easy. Go to https://www.adalo.com/? via =C498DC and click Sign Up or Get Started for free. Fill in your email, create a password, and follow the prompts. You can also sign up with Google for even faster access. Use an email you check often. ADALO will send important updates there. Agree to the terms, click Create Account, and check your inbox for a verification email. Click the link in your email to verify, and you're in. Welcome to your ADALO dashboard, your creative HQ. Take a moment to look around and get familiar. Now let's bring your ideas to life. Already have an account? Welcome back. Head to adalo.com and click Log in the top right corner. Enter your email and password. or use Google if you signed up that way. Forgot your password? Use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, your personal command center. Here you can see all your projects and start new ones. Ready to pick up where you left off or start something new? Let's dive in. Time to build your first app. From your dashboard, click Create New App. Choose Native Mobile App for iOS and Android projects. This sets up your project for phones, perfect for our example. Next, pick a template or start with a blank canvas. I recommend blank for learning. Name your app. Let's call it My Awesome App for now. Choose your primary and secondary colors for instant branding. Click Create, and you'll enter the ADALO builder. You're now looking at your app's blank canvas, ready to design. It's like starting a painting with the perfect canvas and colors. Let's add your first features. Welcome to the ADALO builder. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey where you'll transform your app ideas into reality, all without writing a single line of code. This is where the magic happens, where your vision takes shape, and where you'll experience the power of visual app development. We're thrilled to have you here, and we're eager to guide you through the process of creating stunning and functional mobile applications. This is your canvas, where your app comes to life. Here, you'll visually construct the user interface, arrange components, and define the flow of your application. Think of it as your digital playground, where you have the freedom to experiment, iterate, and bring your creative ideas to fruition. The intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy to position elements, resize them, and customize their appearance. On the left, you'll find a treasure trove of components, the building blocks of your app. These pre-built elements are ready to be dragged and dropped onto your canvas, saving you countless hours of development time. From basic UI elements to more advanced features, the component library has everything you need to create a rich and engaging user experience. You'll find essential components like text fields for displaying information, buttons for user interaction, and images to add visual appeal. But that's just the beginning. Explore a wide range of other components, including lists, forms, maps, and more. Each component is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs and design preferences. The center is your canvas, the heart of your app building experience. This is where you'll assemble your user interface, arrange components, and create the visual layout of your application. The canvas provides a real-time preview of your app, allowing you to see exactly how it will look and function on a mobile device. And the right panel? That's your control center. The right panel lets you customize everything, from the appearance of individual components to the overall behavior of your app. Dive into a world of options, tweak settings, and fine-tune every detail to create a truly unique and personalized experience. Let's start building. Click the home screen in the screen selector at the top. This will bring the home screen into focus on the canvas. Now, let's add some content. Drag a text component from the left sidebar onto the home screen. Position it near the top of the screen. Double-click the text component to edit it. Change the text to "Welcome to my app." This will be the first thing users see when they open your app. Now, let's make it look good, and style it as you like. Use the options in the right panel to change the font, size, color, and alignment of the text. Experiment with different styles to find the perfect look for your app. Next, we'll add a button to guide users to the next step. Drag a button component from the left sidebar below your text. Double-click the button to edit the text. Let's label it "See More." This will encourage users to explore further. Now we'll add some functionality. With the button selected, make sure it is highlighted in the canvas. Look to the right panel, click Add Action, and choose Link. This will allow us to connect the button to another screen in our app. But first, we need a screen to link to. Add a new screen by clicking the plus icon in the screen selector at the top. Choose a blank screen and call it Details. This will be the screen users are taken to when they click the button. Now go back to the home screen, select the See More button, and in the right panel, link your button to the Details screen. This establishes the navigation flow between the two screens. Congratulations, you've just created your first navigation. You've successfully linked two screens together, creating a basic flow within your app. Building apps with ADALO is all drag, drop, and customize. It's a visual and intuitive process that empowers you to create amazing apps without the complexities of traditional coding. And the best part? No code needed. ADALO handles the technical details behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on the design and functionality of your app. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around and see how easy it is to use the various components and features. The more you explore, the more you'll discover the endless possibilities of ADALO. With ADALO, it's incredibly easy to build your interface. You can create complex layouts, add interactive elements, and design a user experience that will delight your users. Now that you have a basic understanding of the ADALO builder, let's keep going. There's so much more to explore, and we're excited to show you all the amazing things you can create with ADALO. Want to build for desktop? ADALO makes it easy. From your dashboard, click Create New App and select Desktop Web App. Choose a blank template, name your app like My Desktop Dashboard, and pick your colors. The builder now gives you a wide landscape canvas, perfect for web apps. The tools are the same, but the possibilities are even bigger. Desktop apps offer a unique advantage. They let you create more complex layouts, going beyond the limitations of simpler mobile interfaces. This opens up a world of possibilities for designing sophisticated user experiences. Think dashboards, packed with data visualizations and interactive elements, or intricate management tools that require a high degree of organization and control. These types of applications often demand a level of visual complexity that's best achieved within a desktop environment. Let's dive into how we can leverage these capabilities. We're going to add a list component to display data, like a list of projects. This is a fundamental building block for many applications, allowing users to easily view and interact with collections of information. To populate our list, we need a database. Click the database icon on the left to create a new collection. We'll call it Projects. This collection will serve as the central repository for all our project-related data. Now let's define the structure of our projects collection by adding properties. We'll start with project name, which will be a text field to store the name of each project. This is a crucial piece of information for identifying and organizing our projects. Next, we'll add due date and set its data type to date. This will allow us to track project deadlines and ensure timely completion. Setting the correct data type is important for proper data handling and filtering later on. With our database set up, let's head back to the builder. We'll configure our list component to show items from the projects collection. This establishes the connection between our user interface and the underlying data. Now comes the fun part: customizing what information appears in each list item. We have full control over how our data is presented to the user. For this example, we'll display the project name and its corresponding due date. This provides a clear and concise overview of each project within the list. To allow users to add new projects, we'll add a button labeled Add New Project to our interface. This button will serve as the entry point for creating new project entries in our database. We need to define what happens when the user taps the button. We'll link it to a Forms screen, which will provide the necessary fields for entering project details. The form will collect all the essential project information, such as the project name and due date, ensuring that we capture all the necessary details. And here's where the magic happens. On Submit, the form creates a brand new entry directly in your project's database. This seamless integration between the user interface and the database is a hallmark of no-code development. Now, users can effortlessly add data, and it appears instantly in your app's list. This real-time update provides immediate feedback and enhances the user experience. This is the power of no-code, the ability to create dynamic and interactive applications without writing a single line of code. You can design the user interface, connect components to data sources, and launch fully functional applications, all visually, using intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lists, forms, and actions to make your app truly interactive and engaging. The possibilities are endless. You're building real functionality, and you're doing it fast. This rapid development cycle allows you to iterate quickly and bring your ideas to life in record time. You've just learned the basics of building mobile and desktop apps with ADALO. From signing up to designing screens and connecting data, you're ready to create. Remember, you don't need to be a coder, just start experimenting. Use my link to sign up and support the channel. ADALO's tutorials, docs, and community are there to help you grow. Don't worry about perfection, just build, test, and improve. Every small step is progress toward your dream app. I'm excited to see what you create. Start building, keep learning, and share your app with the world. Your journey as a creator begins now.